making bacon cheeseburgers.
Today we're making bacon cheeseburgers
with Chick-fil-A fries. It's gonna be so good, and it's like bussin'.
Yeah, we eat it every time, y'all. I don't know why.
Yeah, I love Chick-fil-A fries. And bacon! Yep. And so we're cooking.
Yeah, because our mom didn't want to cook.
So we decided to cook. I'm over here with the fries. She's over there with the what? Bacon! Okay, so we're having a great time doing this.
Yeah.
And it's so fun. We're cooking by ourselves.
Yes, our mom's literally right there. Where's he getting us cook?
Yeah. So I think we're professionals. Okay. So
can I say something?
yeah.
And our mom let us. This is our third time cooking, right?
Yep. So we decided to make this.
Yes.
This is gonna be busted with salt.
Look at it.
Ooh.
Excuse me, ladies. Can I get up in here right quick?
Yeah.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the Grand Family channel on YouTube. I'm out.
Yeah, let's finish it. So,